So we have an interesting question here. We are asked to find the radius and the center of a circle whose equation is given as 3x squared plus 3y squared minus 6x plus 12y plus 3 equals to 0. So what you need to know is that when you are given such a question, you need to know that the equation of a circle is given as x minus a squared plus y minus b squared is equals to r squared, where a and b are constants such that a, b is the center of the circle. Maybe an example could be 2, 3. So this is the center of the circle and r is the radius. So we are needed to rewrite this equation in this format as a perfect square x minus a y minus b squared is equals to r squared. So you can rewrite and write the like terms together. So you have 3x squared minus 6x plus 3y squared plus 12y is equals to negative 3. Remember, to make something a perfect square, you need to have a value of 1 in the x squared or the y squared. So you can divide by 3, by 3, by 3, by 3, by 3. So you have x squared. Why do we divide by 3? Because even the end, the final answer on the right hand side is also a multiple of 3. So x squared minus 2x plus y squared plus 4y equals negative 1. To write something as a perfect square, what's a perfect square is like example x plus 2 squared. This is a perfect square which factorizes as can be expanded as x squared plus x times 2 then times 2 4x plus 2 squared 4. So what you will note here, you have x squared minus 2x is like having a x squared plus bx plus c. You have these two factors. You want to find this. For a perfect square, note, for a perfect square, c is equals to b over 2 squared, where a is 1. If a is 1, c then is given as b over 2 squared. So example would be this part 4 is given as b 4 over 2 squared, which is 2 squared is 4. So in this case you have x squared minus 2x plus negative 2 over 2 squared. This is our b. We are writing the c, so that when we come again at this point, when you want to rewrite this, you can be able to say it's x plus b over 2, x plus b over 2 squared. This is how you factorize a perfect square. X then 2 over 2, which is 2, 4 over 2 is 2, then you square. So in this case you will be able to write x minus 1 squared. This minus 2 divided by 2 squared plus, so this one can be collapsed to this. Then on the part of the y we continue plus y squared plus 4y plus the c we said is 4 over 2 squared equals to negative 1. Whatever we have added on the left hand side we add on the other end. So we add negative 2 over 2 squared plus 4 over 2 squared. So again we can collapse this to y plus 4 over 2 squared, which is 2. So this one I skipped that step, but it's just okay. This is y plus 2 squared is equals to negative 1. Negative 2 over 2 is 1, squared is 1 plus 1 plus 4 over 2 is 2, squared is 4. Okay, so again So let us write it. Where should we write this? Okay, let us continue with in the remaining space here. So you can say x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 squared is equals to 4. Negative 1 plus 1 is 0, then plus that one is 4. So do we have this in the format that we wanted? Remember, we wanted our equation to be in this format, x minus a. So you can clearly say a is 1 because this is in the format x minus a squared. So our a is 1. Again, we want to write this as plus y minus b squared. So minus b is 2. So you can say minus b is equals to 2. Divided by negative 1, negative 1. So b is equals to negative 2. So what's the center of the circle in the form a, b? The center of the circle is 1, negative 2. Lastly, the equation requires that we have this. The final on the right hand side, this is r squared. So r squared is equals to 4. What's the square root of r? Square root of, so r is equals to plus or minus 2. But the radius is length, so the radius cannot be negative, so it is 2 units. R is 2, so you have an answer for the center of the circle and the radius. Great.